Camera opens with a busy restaurant. Waiters move around. Customers chatting. Dulugin carries a tray nervously.
First lunch rush, huh? You'll be fine, gang. Just remember, stay calm, smile, no matter what happens. Right. Stay calm, smile, right.
She heads to a table where Mr. Lupito sits, projecting his phone to kitchen.
Enjoy your food.
She places the plate carefully. Mr. Lupito takes one bite and throws it.
Your barbecue is so hard. It's overcooked. It's not tender. It's so dry.
Oh, I'm very sorry, sir. Let me fix that for you in the kitchen.
Please do it fast. I don't have to try.
Dulugin nods and rushes to the kitchen.
Chef Kristen is taking the chef. Undercooked and dry.
Impossible. I just made that 5 minutes ago.
But I understand. He's hungry. Could we remake it?
Fine. But next time tell him to eat faster. So,
Sukuring, the manager, overhears and
The
walks
guest
in.
is come first. Lillian, please tell Mr. Ruby we are preparing a fresh dish. And we will add a complimentary side.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Dulugin approached the table
Excuse me,
calmly.
sir. I'm truly apologize for the inconvenience. Our chef prepared a fresh plate for you. We also include a complimentary drink.
alright. I appreciate that you're fixing it. I just have meeting soon.
I understand completely, sir. I'll make sure it's ready as soon as possible. May I offer you a drink?
I'm just water.
Dulugin and Sukuring talking on the counter.
I was so scared.
That's normal. The trick is not to take it personally. The guests complain because they are disappointed, not because they hate you. Listen, apologize, and act fast.
Dulugin delivers the new plate with confidence.
Barbecue with complimentary drink.
Much better. May I know your name?
I'm Yang.
Yang, thank you for your service. It's so good. You did it well.
I'm glad to hear that, sir. Thank you for giving a chance with us.
Good job.
So, how was your first day cooking?
Terrifying. I learned something. It's not about being perfect. It's about being calm and
Exactly. The good service is not about food. It's about heart.
In every restaurant, mistakes can happen. But when we listen, apologize, and find a solution, we don't just fix a problem. We build trust. Because true service means making people feel valued even when things go wrong.
pork barbecue.